Today we're unlocking the secret to the perfectly moist and tender red velvet cake. Let's dive right in. Grease and line one 8-inch round pan with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Trust me, cleanup will be so much easier. In a medium bowl, sift together the 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt. Sifting keeps the texture light and velvety. In a large mixing bowl, combine the granulated sugar in 2 cups and 1 cup of vegetable oil. Beat until they are well blended. Now, add the eggs one at a time, mixing after each addition for a smooth batter. We're using 2 eggs in total. Then stir in the vanilla flavor, which is 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. This is where the aroma magic begins. For our buttermilk, combine 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red velvet powder, and 1 cup of milk. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to thicken. This mixture gives the cake that tangy signature flavor. Now pour the liquid red food coloring into the batter and mix until it's evenly distributed. Follow that with the buttermilk mixture and give it a quick mix. Next, stir in the cooled brewed coffee. It enhances the cocoa flavor without overpowering the cake. Gradually add the ingredients to the wet batter in 3 additions. Start beating it in at medium speed after each addition, just until everything is combined. This step is crucial for a smooth batter without overmixing. Once your batter is ready, pour it into the prepared 8-inch round pan. Now, instead of smoothing the top, gently tap the pan on your work surface a few times to release any air bubbles. Perfectly even layers, no fuss. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a luscious homemade red velvet cake that is as delightful to eat as it is to make. Remember, the key to that velvety texture lies in the balance of ingredients and careful mixing. Happy baking!